Hey everyone, this is Kelly and welcome back to the Honeybee Stamps YouTube channel, and I have some more stamps and dies to share with you that are all part of the Autumn Blessings release. And this beautiful stamp set is called Grateful Heart. Now this is a super fun stamp to color. You can see all the little bits and pieces of leaves and florals and berries, and it's got lots of great sentiments with this set as well. So you have give thanks with a grateful heart, greet each day with a grateful heart, you are kind, I am grateful. There's a big thanks and a really cute font down there. There's a coordinating die set with this stamp set as well that cuts out that big beautiful heart. There's a background and then the word thanks cuts out one of the other greetings, and then a lot of the little leaves and berries and some florals that you can add to your card. So this is what that big beautiful heart looks like when it's stamped and die cut out with that big die. And then you have Grateful Heart that is included in the die set. Lots of those little berries and leaves that you can add either around, or it would be cute to kind of pop those up off of the top of your heart to give that just a little bit of dimension on the front of your card. Also included in the die set is the thanks. So you can have the shadow there that I cut in yellow, and then the word thanks I cut out in a red or a burgundy. So you can either use the die to make those words, or you can stamp that thanks stamp right onto that background. So that just makes it a little more versatile, and you can just choose to create any way that you want to with those stamps and dies. Now this first card is from Vera, and I love the colors that she's chosen with the blue and orange, and I'm in love with this card from Bobby. I love the wood grain background and then all of those beautiful fall colors. And this card is from the Honeybee Stamps owner Melissa, and she used the greeting, you are kind, I am grateful. Now this next stamp set is small but super cute and great to use this time of year. So this is called Grateful Each Day, and you have each day brings a new reason to be grateful, and that's in one large stamp. Then below that large stamp you have a smaller stamp that says, today and every day I am so grateful for you. Here Carol has used both sentiments on the outside and the inside of her card, and I love how she has paired those with some of the Honeybee Stamps patterned paper and butterfly dies. Now this beautiful card is from Bobby, and I love how she brought that sentiment to life through a window with some vellum and then paired those with the beautiful fall bouquets florals. Here's another card that Bobby made, and I just love the technique that she did on this. So you can read the sentiment through the jar that's holding her florals there. She created that with Copic markers, and I think it's absolutely stunning. So these products, all these stamps and dies, can be found right now at honeybeestamps.com.